Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teacher's English class. Today we are going to see a short, simple tutorial on focusing on the SPM CEFR reading paper, how to answer reading paper. As you can see on the blackboard, this is a clear overview of the reading format. You need to focus on two parts, number of parts and what you need to do for each part. There are 5 parts and you need to circle, you need to fill in the alphabets, you need to do one word answer. As you can see on the blackboard, these are how you're going to answer the 3 parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. You need to focus on what you need to do, you need to focus on what are the best resources to practice, and you also need to know what are the similarities with the old SPM format. As you can see on the blackboard, this is how to answer part 4. You need to focus on what you need to do, best resources, and for more tips. This is the last part of your reading paper, part 5. So you need to focus on what you need to do and more tips. That is all for today's lesson. Please do subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel to get updated with our new tutorial videos. Thank you.